Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city, Bhopal? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I will be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Bhopal. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app.
At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need.
Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Tripti Agrawal Classes. TAC, that is Tripti Agrawal Classes, is run by Mr. Anil Agrawal. He built this coaching center in 1988, and after producing 4 MP PMT merits in 1999, Mr. Anil Agrawal was the first one to organize with the excellent structure of the coaching segment in Bhopal. In 2003, the TAC delivered 5 MP PMT merits. Mr. Anil Innovation's thirst for quality education, creativity and dynamism approach, motivation and long-term goals of Mrs. Tripti Agrawal, who is director of the TAC, have made TAC an excellent coaching institute. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute is Zone 2 Maharana Pratap Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462023. Their contact number is 0755406499 and 8818883926. The fee structure for 1 year is Rs 99,000. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have DS classes. For DS, the students are not a commodity to make profit upon, but according to them, they are the responsibility to make an ideal life in society upon. Moreover, DS classes was established with one motto, which is providing quality education for the medical entrance examinations of India. The motto of this institute is help even transform their aspirants into an arrow so he or she could hit the medical college for his or her dream as a bullseye. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute is 63B Kasturba Nagar near Chetak Bridge, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462023. Their contact number is 0755425290 and 903993411. Now let us talk about the fee structure. The fee structure for 1 year includes a sum of Rs 1,48,000 plus GST. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Bond Classes. Bond Classes is one of the leading institutes which is popular for providing quality education and help their students for preparing for various competitive examinations such as medical examinations. This academy's main motto is to help their students with the new techniques and bring out the best capability in each and every aspirant. Moreover, for their students' success, Bond classes provide the latest technology and teaching methodology. Also, Bond classes, the main motto is to develop their toppers in IIT, JEE, NEET and AIIMS exams by adding fresh and new innovative teaching methodology in the field of engineering and the medical. Okay, the address of this institute is plot number R4 opposite railway track zone 2, Maharana Pratap Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. The contact number is 0755 4000320. Now let us talk about the fee structure. So the course fee for the 1 year includes a sum of rupees 1,18,000. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city, Bhopal. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.